Buongiorno, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on the third video in series describing the methodologies that was developed during years of practice and is still used by the Guevara QI team and recommended to use in agile teams as a general. This short video is about where you as a QI engineer are supposed to get the approach idea and be able to start using it or help improve your own approach if you have one. And today we are talking about approach in skills acquiring. So skills acquiring. There are some core and the most valuable skills that every QA could have and they are obviously essentials. Such skills are test theory, development theory and teamwork ethics. If you think and take a look at any other skill you really need, I'd say that the only skill that you really need is the one that is used on your current project or the one that is used on the project you are trying to acquire. There's usually a QA manager who decides the roadmap for now and future, so if you are just general QA, just rely on it. If that happens that you are that QA manager, then don't try to learn everything at once. Learn things one by one, acquire skill one by one, and start from that ones that gives the business the most profit and value. That's it for today. Have fun and have your work done.